Hi friends! In this era of digital banking, people are moving from paper currency to UPI, net banking, and all such things. Now, coming for pocket money, our parents will take cash from the ATM every time and we used to save it in a piggy bank, right friends? Now, in this video, we are going to explore a new world of banking for kids. Let's move into the video. We did some searches in the Google for children bank account and saving their pocket money, and we found out some safe apps, and one of the best is the Junio app. We are going to see about it. The smart card for children's pocket money, and it is trusted by 4 lakh plus users, and it is the app we are going to see. And we get a question that is Junio safe? So to check that, please visit their privacy policy. This app or website is made by First Pay Technologies and the agreement is done with RBL Bank. So we assume that the safety of our transactions and such things is under the standard of a bank, which is RBL Bank. So to know more about this Junio, please visit their privacy policy. One of my friends was using Junio and he shared the link for the app. Let us check and see the procedures for registration. Now let's install the app. Hooray! The app is installed. Here the offers for using the Junio card is given. Please enter your mobile number to get started, and after entering your mobile number, you will receive an OTP. Please enter it in the given box. After this, it will ask you to set a 4-digit Junio PIN. Please enter it as per your wish. After setting the PIN, please enter your personal details in the given boxes. After this, please verify your identity in this step. The given options are PAN, passport, voter ID and driving license. Now add your child's details. Superb! Now the account is created. This is the home page of the Junio app. Let's scroll down and see what are the contents available. As you can see, the monthly limit is rupees 10,000 on your account. So in the reward section, they give rewards for referral. Wait a minute, hearing of referrals, I am also having a referral. I have pasted it in the description. Please use that to download the Junio app. Now the next step is to order a card. To order a card, please click on that order now and select a child. And type your address. There is a one-time fee of rupees 99 for ordering a Junio card. Hey friends, I have finally received my Junio card. Come, let's unbox it. Yeah, there's a code from Warren Buffett in the opening page, and it has got good colors. It's got bright colors in the packaging. And come on, let's take out the card. It is printed as Junio, the company name. Yes friends, this is the card we are looking for, and it's my own card. It is a good feeling that I'm having my own card in my hand, and you should also feel this. So please order card now and feel happy.